Hey everybody, welcome back to Touring and Trails. This week we are at the Wrenching and Whisking Garage. Yeah. And I'm with my amigo, my good friend over here. Oh, Mr. Wildman.
That's it. Wildman's still kicking.
Wildman is still kicking. Wildman, you know, last time you seen him, let's go back to, Sturgis. Last time he saw him, he was on this. The old Mean Green Machine Road Glide over there. It's just sitting here enjoying a nice winter day. He also has another little treat over here. Old Fat Boy. That's a beautiful bike. But he also has a Jeep. And that's why we're here today, because we're gonna fix my front bumper. It was defective from the factory. You remember back in the 80s, you remember that show, The American Gladiators? They used to joust and stuff.
Yeah.
So after that show was canceled, they decided to put those things on, use them as front bumpers on these Jeeps. Telling you that's what it is. So my friend here, he's got looks like a Red Rock stubby grill, which it really makes a difference. For one, it looks better. For two, you got clearance for your tires so you can do some crawling. He's got your nice winch on here.
Open road.
Open road, okay. There you go. Get the details there. So that's a really nice setup.
Got the flip up license plate.
That's the way to go.
Since they want us to have license plates in Texas.
So yeah, if you're not from Texas, if you don't have that front license plate, that's the first thing they will like to pull you over and then interrogate you. So you got to have the front license plate, unfortunately, in Texas. But that came out really good. He's got his done. So we're going to do the same thing to our JK, get a front bumper replacement and put a winch on it. And because, they're Jeeps. This one's got more capability than mine, being a Rubicon, but we're gonna have to take these Jeeps and do Jeep stuff eventually. So stay tuned for that. But let's get this bumper going.
Yeah, that's on my Jeep. I'm like, yes.
All right, spared you some of the boring details of hanging out underneath. So you really just have an 18 millimeter socket. Got about 8 of those dudes. And the one that comes off, I don't know, I think it's like 5 or 10 pounds. Like I said, it's American Gladiator version, so comes off pretty easy. We're gonna unbox what we got over here. And you gotta reuse your old fog lights and get this thing back together. We got the Miss Dee Dee's Jeep over here because we're gonna use this kind of like Al's Pick Your Part. So we're gonna steal the winch because you don't need that when you're mall crawling.
Definitely don't need that mall crawling.
So we're gonna put that one on here too and get her done.
So folks, my gym bro, he found something I can do.
There, they spelled Jeep wrong though, look.
Yeah.
It's upside down.
It is.
Well dang it, we'll have to take this one back.
You walking off, you ain't finished.
Oh, I'm coming back. I was just looking.
Walking away from the job. Can't get no good help around here. Come on, Miss Deborah.
Find your little bow. Okay. Good job, good job. I help her. We finally found something to do, folks.
It's taken a while. Welcome, Touring and Trails. On this week's episode, the wife wants to give her Jeep, her 2017 JK, a little more attitude. So we're gonna swap out the old factory grill, and we're gonna see if we can turn this into a mean Jeep. So let's see what we found from the old Jungle website. And shark grill with instructions, unheard of. Oh, sweet. So they actually give you the clips in case you destroy yours. That's great news. Well packaged, well packaged. Let's check this bad boy out. So she wanted gloss black. To me, looks to be pretty good. Quality looks good. And the best part, it was under 200 bucks. Wow. Installation supposed to be easy, if all goes well, meaning we don't break all the clips. So, hey, let's make it happen, Captain. I don't have the proper tools, of course, but you're supposed to use little push pins. Looks like probably 6 of them to get out, and the rest of it got these clips down here that it all just snaps into. So it should boop, 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 boop. Take out these little lights here, and it should be a go. I wish I would have noticed prior that this light was broken. Look, I guess a rock hit it, but too late now. I'm installing this thing today. Time is money, so should be easy, right? Huh. Next step, like I said, their top's loose, bottom should snap out very gently. Just need a little pressure, but nothing crazy. So you guys want to step back just a bit so I don't bop you upside the head. Let's do that. All right. Super simple. Wow. Okay. You gotta take your turn signal lights, so these things, just turn them like that, just like that, and it's honestly that simple. That grill is out, so we're time to install the new one. Now's a good time to look for inspection and stuff. One thing I do see on this one, look how rusty that is, so I can clean that up and do a little full restoration. Yep, cool. All right, removing the factory turn signal lights is super simple. Plastic clips, push the leg in just like that, and it comes out that simple. Rinse and repeat on the other side. I'll bring it over in case you missed that real quick. Little leg there, bloop, little leg there, bloop, and she's out just like that. All right, now we need to put all the clips, accessorize on the old baby shark over here. Everything we need to reinstall. So far, this has been a very easy project. Those dudes should slide right over here. Come on, fingers work. Can't say that's cold because I'm fixing to get out of this old Longmire shirt. It is a warm, warm day for being winter. I'm sure it'll catch up with us this year. All right, come on. Now it's all stuck together. Hardest thing is making these clips cooperate. Okay. Put that one on a little straighter maybe. That dude's on there. I know y'all don't want to separate, but it's come to this point in our relationship. You must. All right. Go. There we go. All right, folks, I think this one's ready to go on. It's nice that we got all this new hardware. I don't think that's commonly supplied by everyone. So, big old thumbs up on that. What do you do with an old grill like this? You throw it in the trash? Heck no. That becomes a wall ornament. Put it up in your garage or something. Looks cool. Well, there you have it, folks. She's installed. It's now a mean Jeep. No more friendly. Oh, looks pretty good actually. Let's get the hood closed. I used one of my original push pins, and it's really more of a me thing than the manufacturer. So she's in there. So final look, and there you have it. Hey, it's in. Looks good. I'm glad she went with the gloss and that it came right out of the box gloss. We didn't have to special order it or anything, just bought the one. You know, it's all fiberglass, so I mean, it's honestly looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with this one. Hey folks, so this is I would call this a one cold snack job, meaning for the time it takes to drink a cold snack, you can install this. It's affordable, under a couple $100. Seems to be not the same quality as the factory, honestly. And you know, as far as technical skills or anything like that, you don't need nothing. Just watch this YouTube video and you probably figure it out. If not, find a better video. They probably tell you step by step by step. I'm not gonna do that. Just get out and grab you a couple screwdrivers and figure it out. That's how you make things work around here. So hey, that's something you're thinking about, go ahead and jump on it. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, a like, share, subscribe. We'll see you down the road.